Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
You know it's Facebook era, and people don't know I'm a singer, but yes, I'm a singer. You can find my album in supermarket.
Yo. Murder! You know why you're singing for them over here. You hear that?
Matt, get the murder me thing there.
Facebook era, back at it again. I know when me come to talk. Donald Trump, me decide say, me a go home. You are going too bad, me a go home. Me sick and tired of you, me a go home. You don't have to send me home no more. Me willing to go home, you are going too bad. Me can't drive without my green card. You must be a fool, Donald Trump. And everything me want back to. Me I can't everything.
I left football shoes in my bag.
Everything me want.
Bumbuckler.
Everything me not left nothing. At first me I read newspaper. From Donald Trump going to the White House. Me read 381 newspaper. Me sick and tired of it.
I saw eyeglass have my friend.
I mean, me full of glass, everything.
Bumbuckler.
Everything me want. Everything. Grandma, come grandma. We are going. Grandma, we can't take you no more. We are going.
You go fishing too.
Me have more food I yard. Everything me I can want.
Yeah man, just give me them there. How much? 12.99 to take care. Yes we do. Right. Try it again, man. It no good. I cut. What? Card. I cut. It no good. Cut what? Yeah, I say try it again. The money probably not even reach over. Just try it again. No. It no good. I cut. No good. I cut. Look at the big frog. Cut me card and me call immigration. Look here. Shabba no ranks. I got my green cards, you mother bitch. I am an America. Which part are you American? I am an America. Saddam Shitstein. Which part are you American? I am an America. Me just come over here on a visa last week. I'm a more American than you. God, no good. I cut. Don't cut me card. Access plus multi-link. I cut. Yo, don't cut me card. I cut. Yeah, man, look at you that boy over there from this. I've been fragging. Yeah man, the same man part 83. I cut. The boy I call him friend in bar. I cut. Alright, watch over.
Who this yo? Come in. Oh, who this my friend over here? Alright, fool over here, this my friend. Yo, hero, where you go now? Hero, sell me out hero. Where you go? You idiot! You can't sleep on them with gun. I'm going to let you all call me. You idiot! A fool that take you. Grab me the phone and slide down. You idiot! Come up with them.
Who in the class can use the word wheelchair in a sentence?
Me, sir.
Please, go ahead.
Sir, last week my brother went to church. And when we reached the church, the usher said, we only have one seat left and he can only give it to one of us. And we looked for the usher and said, that's okay. Wheelchair.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. Facebook hero, back at it again. I know me there with my barber, no. I know when me come to talk, Why for you sit down? Take off your cape off of me. Your cape or Raymond cape, a fool like that. Hey, don't get me money in here, boy. Don't touch my mask. Don't touch my mask. Yo, deal here. Don't touch my mask. Hold him like that. Don't touch my mask. Don't touch my bill, man. Look at me, God. A fool like that.
She wants the D, but can you get it to RISE? Millions of men across the world suffer from erectile dysfunction. Are you one of them? Worry no more. Introducing Quick Stiff, the only cure for erectile dysfunction. Just 2 to 8 pills, 30 minutes before that special moment, and Quick Stiff will make you stiff quick.
Do not take Quick Stiff while driving, running, walking, sleeping, breathing, jumping, skipping, or doing anything at all. 4 in 4 men have reported that Quick Stiff does not make them stiff quick. They have been quoted as saying that this shit does not work. Side effects include watery eyes, dry mouth, headache, backache, diarrhea, torn Achilles, bleeding eye, semen coming from your nostril, watery dick, dry dick, sprain toe, arthritis, semen sweat, heart attack, stroke, dick stroke, uncontrollable masturbation, paper cut, erectile dysfunction, severe erectile dysfunction, dick falling off, and death. If any of these side effects occur, drink some bush tea and seek medical advice immediately.
With Quick Stiff, saying goodbye to erectile dysfunction will not be as hard as your dick is.
Facebook era, back at it again. I don't know where I come for talk.
Here, so what going on there?
Now catch my money and patch it like, can I see them last night and they look like 2010.
Here, money, heavy man.
For Patrick Life, I'll give you a fight, boy. Patrick Life, I'll give you a fight, boy. Patrick Life, I'll give you a fight. Patrick Life, what?
I'm tired of all this shit that going over here. I'm tired for wake up and I wear this one bag of unnecessary clothes. I just want to get up in the morning and walk around and I'm like a flap. I just want to get up and walk around and I'm like a flap. Walk around and I'm a flap. You know how hard it is to get some tuntun already? And by the time you take off pants, take off brief, take off one bag of shit. When you're there in Africa, you just gotta lift up your flap in the hole there. Right, that's all. In the hole. Who the hell knows? Eh? I probably have 200 acres of land await for me right now. One whole tribe supposed to be a search for me. I am their lost king. We want a king. Where is King Kevin2wokrayzee? We want a king. Becky, where is our king? Send me back to Africa.
Send me your fuck.
Place so much fake bad man there on the side of the world. Yeah. Africa the real hot skull them there. The real bad charge them. Let's pop off all a spear.
Hey boy, where?
Run up with a blows and skirt flute gun. On to them. Let's pop off.
Hey boy.
I hear what going on there?
You throw me out of the house, but I'm coming 7 o'clock this morning like a appear house. Eh? A few hours. What the fuck me I take me thing? I take half I send it. I two people we have some more one I bicycle. Me no clown around so cold. Me no clown. What the fuck am I pay this month? I'm pay this month rent, yeah.
Use the word window in a sentence. Me sir, look, if you're gonna say stupidness, do not bother. So sir, this one time I'm regretting playing football and he score one bicycle kick goal and he was Jeremy. I thought, he score a bicycle kick goal. And I say, you score a bicycle kick goal. But you never win though.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Go! You know it's Facebook era and people don't know I'm a singer, but yes, I'm a singer. You can find my album in supermarket and this song is for the ladies. I know you wanna leave me, but I refuse to let you go. If I have to beg you please for your sympathy, I don't mind, cause you mean that much to me. Girl, I'm proud to beg, you know it. Please don't leave me, girl, go find your baby father. Stop give me jacket, that what the rascal do you mister? Stop give me jacket, go find your baby father. Stop give me jacket, mister, me find your baby father. Stop give me jacket, now mister, stop your jacket, mister, me stop your jacket. Take that and put in your rascal pocket, mister, stop your jacket. Stop your jacket. Take that and put that in your rascal pocket. The girl give me 2 penny, me find us you're not mine. Rascal come here, Facebook, you're the blind. Stop your jacket. Stop your jacket. Last girl.
Yo.
Murder.
You know why you're singing for them out there. You hear that?
Mosquito murder me thing there. Yo dog, you know the mosquito down there.
Down where? Are you the idiot? Church.
Murder go on, 2 hand get the blame. Mama I go ball down a mosquito lane. How we go clap them and no like we shame. Kill everything and not one for remain. What if change if my hand gets spraying? Mosquito, I got dead slippers, clap them the same. Chick V, Zick V, one bag of paint to them bitch panny wall and just clap out them. Hush! Mosquito want for full of my place. Them bite me on my elbow, my neck, my back and my face. This try I use that in case. As them fly off, my clap on, send them in the darkest place. Them fly lean, clap them straight. Tell them no levitate, them do that. A big mistake. Kill mosquito, me now wait. Them days numbered like a license plate. Now if you run now, now if you go. Could I use the spray, but me rather kill you. Me say anyway you fly me, you clap it so. Mosquito, how what that you do?
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kevin2wokrayzee. Peace.